Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So your Canon printer is acting up again. This time it is showing error E02. Don't worry, it might appear because of outdated printer firmware, a change in settings, or for some other reason. In this video, I've got you covered. I'm gonna walk you through a few simple methods, step by step, fixes that'll get your printer back to normal. Alright, let's jump right in and get that printer fixed. Method 1. Reset printer. Make sure your printer is completely powered off. Now, press and hold the power button and stop button together for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, let go of the power button. When you see the light start blinking, press and hold the power button again. While still holding the on button, release the stop button. Then, quickly press the stop button 6 times. On the 6th press, hold it down. Now, while you're holding the power button and stop buttons, you'll notice the alarm lamp blinking orange. That's a good sign. It means the reset process is working. Keep holding it for about 5 seconds, then release both buttons. Alright, so if resetting the printer didn't do the trick, no worries. The next thing we'll try is updating the printer's firmware. Sometimes an outdated version can cause all sort of weird issues. So let's quickly check for updates and get your printer running on the latest version. Method 2. Update firmware. First, head over to your printer's control panel and make sure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once that's done, press the setup button. Now, scroll to the right and open device settings. Keep scrolling until you find firmware update and select it. Then, choose install update. Your printer will start connecting to the server. Just give it a few seconds. When you see a message that says the latest printer version is on the server, press OK. Next, the printer will show you the latest firmware version. Go ahead and press OK again to install it. Now, you'll get a confirmation message asking if you really want to install the update. Choose yes. Read the on-screen cautions quickly, then hit OK to start the update. Now, just sit tight, your printer will download the firmware automatically. Once it's downloaded, the update will begin. Once it's done, the screen will say update succeeded, then press OK and you're all set. Okay, now if your printer is still acting stubborn, there's a good chance a print job is stuck in the queue. Let's go ahead and clear all those pending print jobs so your printer can start afresh. Method 3. Cancel all print jobs. On your Windows computer, click on the search field and enter the control panel. Open the control panel. Next, go to Hardware and Sound. Click on Devices and Printers. Now, go to the Printers section, find your printer. Once you see your printer, right-click on it and choose See What's Printing. In the new window that pops up, right-click on the print job. Then select Cancel. Note, if there are more pending print jobs, cancel all of them. Once you've done that, go ahead and restart your computer and see if the error disappears.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.